Hello friends, good morning. I'm Uma Shelvakumar who lives in Palakkad in Kerala. I take online classes from kindergarten till 10th standard. For the subjects for the kindergarten, I teach phonics, that means independent reading. I started a new course called independent reading. It's a course of only 4 months. By the time the child will be independent to read out the sentences. That's what my target is. What all covered in that phonics I will tell you. Independent reading is about teaching phonics and make them independent to read. That is what the target is. So in this, the portions which are covered are jolly phonics. What is jolly phonics? Each alphabet has its own sound. Long back, when we were small, we do not know such sounds, and so we memorized those spellings and we started to read the sentences. And still now, we do not know if a word is big, how it has to be divided, how it has to be pronounced. But the child who learns this phonics, they know all the rules of phonics, and so they become independent in their young age itself. That is the highlight of this class. So jolly phonics is nothing but songs from A to Z. Each letter has its own sound, and we will teach them the song starting with that letter, so it is easy for them to remember a word. So the first one is jolly phonics. Next it is CVC words, we say. Consonant, vowel and consonant, 3-letter words. Next goes to sight words. By seeing the words, they need to identify that word and they will be saying that word. So third one is the sight word. Next we give dictation for them in the form of worksheet. That is in the Zoom meet, I conduct the classes. So in such classes, I will give the worksheets. Sometimes it will be given as homework also. After teaching that concept, we will give the worksheets to check whether the understanding is clear. Next is the reading practice. We make them to read the worksheets according to what it is taught in the last class. So when they start to read, we can find out where the child makes mistakes and where the concept is not clear. So these are the things they learn in this independent reading. Next, we see about the writing also. The writing practice, in the sense we give in the form of dictation also. And when we give the sight words, we make them to memorize it by writing in their notebook. As such, we guide them to write legibly, split letters, cursive letters in such a way whichever the child is familiar with. Next is spelling tips and tricks. What is the spelling tips and tricks? See, we need to break a word into syllables. When we break into syllables, how to spell the word, we have lot of tricks in phonics. So when they follow the rules, it will be easy for them to read out. Those tricks they will understand. Then we teach them the high frequency words. The next it is digraph and blends. They will be learning in phonics. Di means two. So I think you understand digraphs and blends. We will teach them. And last, sentence formation. We teach everything in not their mother tongue. From the beginning, we train them to speak in English so that they make their own sentences. If it is wrong, we guide them how to make the sentences. And benefits of phonics education with children. Number 1, we say reading exercises the brain. Next point, children often practice reading through phonics. Reads better, far better. Old saying says, practice makes a man perfect. The next is sound to symbol recognition becomes faster for them. A child who learns phonics will have that phonemic awareness in them. Letter symbols with their appropriate sound. So these are some of the benefits. When the child becomes independent, the parents also need not force them to sit and learn. After this course gets completed, it's not over. You can join for the grammar class also. Spoken English class is there. Then I teach subject wise for science, maths classes from 1 to 10 standard also. Children whoever needs teacher's guidance, they can join this class and get benefited, so that from the young age onwards, the child will be independent in reading. Thank you.